cutting a square so that you can access the condenser high voltage to put a short switch contactor. The air conditioner is right over on this side, and this is my condenser thermostat wire, which is not working. No continuity, no voltage whatsoever, so we couldn't steal ground, if you know what I'm talking about. And we're going to put the box here or down here. So we cut another hole here. So we're going to run the wire from here through the ceiling. And this wire here is one of these wires here. We're going to run that wire and set up our short switch contactor. And this here is the short switch contactor. Alright, so there we go. Wires here. We had to cut a hole in the center. We tried not to. And then the final hole. So put the wire through. And this is where we're going to install our short switch contactor box, and you'll see how everything looks in the end. Alright, so here's the clean field. Goes through into the junction box. Into the junction box. So now the contactor is in. L1, T1. You ready? Alright, so we're going to run the wire. Here. Okay. Oh, let's lift it up and. Hold on, I'm hitting. Got a wire nut. Good to go. You want to tighten it down a little bit? Yeah. I think that's pretty good. Yep. And now we have the wire. So here we have our load. Black is line in. Yeah. All right. So the line out, black wires, go to the line in, black wires. The red wires is the load. So we connected the two red wires to the load, and that basically does the bridge. So the load, these are the wires, these are the old wires that used to go up to the air, to the condenser up on the roof. So that is now the load. It used to be the line. So that's now the load. So we took off the two wires, there's one, here's two, from the breaker, and they became the load. And the line is now what I explained. So now everything is going. Right now it's blinking on a delay. As you can see, the standby there. And she'll come on here momentarily. And that's all there is to it. Just a couple of holes, which aren't that big. And that's how you do a short switch contactor. So now the high voltage comes to the top of the contactor as the load from the bottom. So there's nothing here. The contactor is basically useless now because the contactor downstairs does the job of this contactor.